Here are 6 easy steps of going solar with City Renewables. Okay, step number 1 is the consultation phase. I get to know you, you get to know me, and most importantly, we teach you about the benefits of solar. Then we'll go through the various documents needed to start the project. Your home has to qualify for solar panels. We look at your mounting planes and we'll identify the optimal spot to place the solar panels. After your system is designed, then I can show you pricing and different various options of how to get financial returns from selling electricity. Step number 3 is going to be the approvals process. This application is super important because this is going to be how you spin back your meter and sell electricity to the grid. Step number 4, welcome to installation day. Usually it only takes 1 day to install the entire system. We'll build your racking system first on your rooftop, ensure that it's sealed properly so you don't have any leaks. We will clip the panels into the racking system and then tie the system into your main panel. After those 3 things are done, then we flip the switch and turn it on for you. Step number 5 is the inspection. The inspection is typically scheduled the following week after your installation. Step number 6, permission to operate. And this is the finish line. This is when your meter is officially rolling backwards. And that's what it's all about, selling electricity to the utility company and reducing your carbon footprint.